Yeah, please let me know my voice is audible or not. Please let me know my voice is audible or not. Please let me know my audio is audible or not. Hello. Please let me know my audio is. Yeah, fine. I hope it is audible. Let's see once. So see the first problem. Consider a sorted array of integers of size n with duplicate elements. Consider a sorted array of integers of size n with duplicate elements. Means it is a sorted array and all are integers, size is n, duplicates also there. You have been given an element k. What is the complexity to find that element? K is appeared at least n by 4 times or not. So this is the given problem. Right? In the given sorted array where duplicates are allowed, you have to make sure element k is repeat, right? N at least n by 4 times or not. How to identify? How to identify a particular element is at least n by 4 times is repeated or not? How to identify? I will try once. See this. See this one array. Right, let's see the indexes. Some indexes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? 8. Next one is going to be 9 10 11 12. Let's take 12 people, right? Array A contain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 people. What are the 12 by 4? 3. I think one element is repeating in the sorted array minimum 3 times. Let me write that also. Minimum 3 times one element in the sorted array. Careful. 10 20 30 40 50, right? 60 70 70 70 70 80 90. In this array, if you see one element 70, right, which is repeating more than n by 4 times, at least n by 4. If n value 12 by 4 is going to be 3, minimum 3 times one element should repeat. I think already there. 70 repeating minimum 3 times. I think it is repeating 4 times. Now see the problem. Consider a sorted array of integers of size n. I think what is the n value? 12. With duplicate elements. Yes, you have been given an element k. Assume that k is 70. You have been given an element k. What is the meaning? Element k 70 means element 70 given. What is the time complexity to find that the element k is appeared at least n by 4 times or not? How to do this? Right? One way is what you do is, careful. One way of solving this problem is mostly like this. Let's check roughly. One way is going to be because of element 70, right? You have to identify at least n by 4 times repeated or not. So what you do is, forget about is it sorted or not. One way of solving this problem is first to find out using linear search. Where is 70? Ask every person, are you 70? No. Are you 70? No. Means are you k? Are you k? Like that check. Are you k? No. 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 Yes. Are you k? Yes. So from here onwards start counting. I think are you k? Yes. So if you are k, can you help me now? Starting k index what? 7. Starting index of k is 7, right? Afterwards ask all the people, are you 70? Yes. Are you 70? Because of it is a sorted array, all will be continuous. So ask every person, are you 70? 70, 70. I think he also said 70. Further 70 not there. So 70 happened from 7 to 10. 70 is there from 7 to 10. Can you say 7 to 10 means how many people? You know formula, 10 minus 7 plus 1. Right? So because of array continuous, right? So there is a formula to find out number of people from 7 to 10. 10 minus 7 plus 1. 10 minus 7 is 3 plus 1 4. So there are 4 people who are k. So there are 4 people who are k. This 4 is greater than, right? This 4 is greater than 12 by 4. Yes, I think that is the story. You have been given an element k. What is the time complexity to find that the element k is appeared at least n by 4? So this is the one way. But you asked every person, I think one scan you done. This algorithm time complexity is order of n. Which case it is? This algorithm time complexity is order of n, right? Worst case. Because you asked every person. Worst case, you have to ask every person. You always remember, any question is given in the GATE examination or any other exam. Any question is given in GATE exam or any other exam. If they ask you what is the time complexity, the meaning of that line is, if you write the best algorithm, what will be the worst case time? Right? Time complexity is nothing but, if you write the best algorithm to solve the given problem, what will be the worst case time? So I am thinking that it is the best algorithm, worst case time is n, right? This is the one way. But the thing is, given array is sorted, right? If it is sorted, why are you applying linear search? Why don't you do binary search? Let's do that. If array is already sorted, why are you doing linear search? Why don't you do binary search? Right? Let's do this. One algorithm I already given. Let's give one more algorithm. Because of array is sorted, we can do binary search. I will try this. Let me choose some color. Yeah, I think I'm choosing some color like this. Yeah, this one. So let's start. So you want to apply binary search because of array is sorted. So what you do is, 12 people, 12 by 2, 6. Ask the 6th person, are you k? No. Are you k? No. Right? Comparing you and k which side? Go right side. Next one. Are you k? Yes. Are you k? Yes. Right? Are you k? Yes. But the question here is going to be, you no need to find out k. Right? You no need to find out k. You have to find out first k. First k find out. So we are doing the binary search to find out first k. Let me ask him, are you k? Yes. But you want k or you want first k? I want first k. Let me ask you, if at all you are k, before you also k there? Yes. So but because of I want first k, go left side. Next one, again ask him mid element, this one. Are you k? Yes. Before also k? Yes. Then you have to go to before. So continue. Are you k? Yes. Only one element, stop. So what is the meaning? Using binary search to find out first to k. Let me write now. Using binary search, find first occurrence of k. Using binary search, find out first occurrence of k. Can you help? First occurrence of k I find out using binary search. What is the time complexity? Worst case, log n. Okay, I think at which index it is there? I think first occurrence of k, right, using binary search log n time, but the first index, if you see, I think 7th place. Right? What you do is 7th place plus, right? I think minimum n by 4 times it should repeat. 12 by 4, how much? 12 by 4, how much? 3. So what is the 7 plus 3? 10. 7 plus 3, 10, right? Now what you do is minimum this one, I think, right? So just 7 plus 3, which is going to be 10. Just check. 10th place also your element is there or not? Yes. Right? So 7th place is 70 is there, it's okay. For that 7th place, add the n by 4. Right? 10th place also 70 there, indication that at least n by 4 times repeating. That is the indication. After getting the right first occurrence of k index 7, to that add n by 4. Right? You got 10. Right? This 10 is right. You got 10. Right? You got 10th place also your element is there. 10th place also k is there. indication that minimum n by 4 times repeating, you can stop it. Simply one time apply binary search. Using that, find out the first occurrence of k, right? So log n time is over. Afterwards, to that index add n by 4, totally 10. 10th place also your element is there or not verified. That means at least n by 4 times repeating. So 1 times binary search will leads to, right, order of log n, worst case. Order of log n, worst case. Please careful to solve this problem. I given 2 algorithm. Best algorithm is using binary search, time complexity log n. Worst case, time complexity log n. If you want, you can do like this also. Apply 2 times binary search. One binary search to find out the first occurrence of k, another binary search to find out the last occurrence of k, totally 2 times 2 log n. That is also asymptotically log n. Right? So, but unnecessarily you are done 2 times. One time you do, to that index add n by 4. Right, that place also k is there, means at least n by 4 times repeating, otherwise at least n by 4 times not repeating, right, like that. Check if anyone having any doubt. If anyone having any doubt, please let me know. Check anyone having any doubt. Yeah, it's the first problem. It will be really useful to you. I think it is really useful to you. Let's go to next problem. Let's go to next problem. This is the next problem. Check. Right, suppose n and p are unsigned integer variable. Suppose n and p are unsigned integer variable in a C program. We wish to set p to nc3. If n is large, which one of the following statement is most likely to set p correctly? Suppose n and p are unsigned integer variable in a C program. We wish to set p to nc3. If n is large, which one of the following statement is most likely to set p correctly? This is the given problem. Some options also given. Can you verify once? Can you verify once before going to give my answer? Before going to give my answer, can you verify once? Can you verify once? Check one time. What will be the answer for this? What will be the answer for this? Can you try? Someone is saying Bunty Tata, sir, your thoughts on game of visas. Means I don't know what it means. Nishu, how are you? Nishu, how are you? Yeah, what is the answer for this one? Suppose n and p are unsigned integer variable in a C program. We wish to set p to nc3. If n is large, which one of the following statement is most likely, right? Most likely to set p correctly, right? This is the given one. Let's check. Let's check. I will try once, right? What is the meaning of this one? Can you help me? Can you help me, right? So what is the nc3 value? What is nc3? What is the nc3 value? nc3 value is nothing but n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by right, 1 into 2 into 3. Everyone know this is the nc3. So what he is saying, suppose n and p are unsigned integer variable in a C program, we wish to set p to nc3. We wish to set p to nc3. What is the meaning? To the p you have to set nc3. What is the meaning? P is equal to, you should write this. P is equal to, you should write this. That is his goal. We wish to, right? We wish to set p to nc3. If n is large, then which one of the following statement is most likely to set p correctly? nc3 you want to keep to p. So you want to do like this one. P is equal to nc3, which is nothing but this one. Which is nothing but this one. Right? Everyone know this. Right? Right? Just they want to do like this. So which one is correct is asking. I think looks like everyone is correct. It looks like everyone is correct. Check. It looks like everyone is correct. Sai Teja Reddy. So hi boss. Hi Sai. Hi Nishu. Arey Bunty, right? Bunty, arey what class is going on? What you are asking, man? Arey Bunty, what class going on? What you are asking? Right? We are solving the important questions of GATE exam. You are asking something else. Can you ask me personally? I will say my opinion, my personal opinion I will say. Right? Can you ask me personally? Right? Fine. So let's come here. P is equal to nc3 means P is equal to this one you want to do. What is the correct one? But if you observe clearly, it looks like all correct. It looks like all correct. Right? But what will be the answer? I think the tricky part, I don't know how many people understand this. The tricky part is this one. See this one. If n is large, which one of the following statement is most likely to set P correctly? If n is large, can you help me now? If n is large, listen everyone now. If n is large, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, it will become very big. If n is large, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, it will become very large. So I think mostly there is a overflow. Because if n itself large, what about n into n minus 1 into n minus 2? What about this? It will become very big. Now see the answer. Because of it will become very big, n is already large, it will become more large, it will become overflow. Then what you do is, anyhow you are dividing by 6, right? I think see the option. I think in the available option, it may be worst option. The reason is, right, after overflow you are dividing by 6. Overflow already happened. Until here already overflow happened. After overflow by 6, instead of doing, maybe I'm thinking this is also no chance. After overflow, if you divide by 6, what is the use? Right? I think answer is going to be anyhow you are dividing by 6, right? So first n into n minus 1 you do, by 2 you do, afterwards into n minus 2 by 3. I'm thinking that these two are little bit better, because if you do total n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, if you do overflow will come. After overflow dividing by 6, instead of that, before overflow divide. I'm thinking answer is B and C. A and B, no. Actually all correct. Because of n is very large, right? I think A, D cancel. So I think I'm thinking that B and C mostly right answers. If I want to go further, actual answer is all. Because of n is large, A, D cancel, A, D cancel. Now answer is looks like B and C. If I go further, let's see the one more story. If I go further, let's see the one more story. Can anyone help you now? N into n minus 1, is it even number? If you multiply two number, always you will get even number. If you multiply two number, mostly you will get the even number. Right? See, 5, 6, two consecutive numbers you take. Two consecutive numbers you take. Right? Even number. I think two numbers if you multiply two consecutive number, 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 3, 6. 3 into 4, 12. Two consecutive numbers if you multiply even number. Remember, if even number by 2, it will become, no, I think no fraction. Even number by 2. Even number by 2, no fraction. But, right, even number by 3, fraction will come. Even number by 3, fraction will come. Even number by 3 fraction. When you say fraction, because of integer, see, unsigned integer variable, because of fraction, 21.5, you will take only 21. You may miss the value. You may lose the value. I think see this one. Here no fraction, here fraction will come. Because of fraction, integer, you may lose something. I think in my opinion, right, comparing all of them, right, B is the best answer. B is the best answer. B taking care about overflow also, and in our overflow to, right, B taking care about overflow. Before overflow is dividing. Before overflow is dividing, not only dividing, while dividing blindly is not dividing. Right? Even number by 2, no, I think nothing will be, no problem at all. No fraction. Right, Bunty, right? It's fine. So you can take my number. This is my number. Right? This is my WhatsApp number. Right? You can ping me. I will help you. Whatever I am thinking, I will say. It's not against anyone. Right? I will give whatever best advice I can give, I will give. Right? Whatever my opinion, I will say. You can take accordingly. Right? Fine. Thanks for asking. Right? Let's go to next. I think it is a nice problem. Very less people can do this. Very less people can do this. This problem, very less people can do this. This problem is a very tricky problem. It looked like initially when I am solving this problem first time, I felt that all are correct. But we have to select one. Then I read the problem again. Initially when I am reading this problem, I felt that all are correct. But I have to select one. So to select one, I read the problem once again. When I read the problem once again, okay, n is large. So n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, it will become very large. Means overflow. Overflow is coming. I think overflow coming, if you see the option A, option D, after overflow divide by 6. I think option B, option C, before overflow, stop the overflow, means I think B and C trying to stop the overflow. Overflow means what? Problem happened. Before overflow you have to solve. So comparing AD, BC better. But when I am doing the BC, they are stopping overflow. In the option D, in the option C, some data you are losing. Because even number by 3, there may be chance of fraction. In the fraction you will take only integer because he is given in the problem integer. So because of integer you will lose some data. So B and C, B you are not losing, C you are losing. So best option is B. Best option is B. Check if anyone having any doubt. If anyone having any doubt, you please let me know. Let's go to next. Let's go to next. Let's go to next. Yeah, let's see this also. Let's see this also. So those people, see this one, those people who are preparing for a GATE examination, those people who are preparing for a GATE examination, right? I am giving one wonderful option to you, one wonderful chance I am giving. If you are serious about these lines, mark. Whatever I am going to say now, these lines mark. If you are really crazy about IIT, if you are really crazy about GATE examination, if you crazy about GATE exam, if you are crazy about IIT, right? If you want to get it, if you want to get it, if you are serious, my suggestion, take subscription today. If you are serious, take subscription today. Take subscription today, you will get approximately 30%. Approximately 30%. You will get the right 30% discount you will get. Price hike is going to be happen, approximately 30%, right? Discount you will get. 12 months actually how to pay. Actually you have to pay. Right, this one. Actually you have to pay this much as of now. After price hike, 39,000 you have to pay. If you use this offer, you have to pay only 28. As of now, you have to pay 35. After few days, 39 you have to pay. But if you take today 30% discount, 28,000 only you have to pay. This is for, right? This is for, right? Currently what is going on. Next one, 18 months, same story. See, please take care. My suggestion, use the referral code ReddySir. Use the referral code ReddySir, right? You will get the 30% discount. If you are serious, join. Not serious, don't join. If anyone says, sir, I am serious, I will join after some time, there is no use. There is no use. Some people are completed half of the syllabus. Some people completed half of the syllabus. Some people completed 80% syllabus. Still, if you don't start, you will be losing side. So careful. Next one, 18th May, means today 18th May, one batch is started. Right, you can join in that batch. Use the referral code ReddySir, you will get the 30% discount. Next one, in that batch, right, in this batch I am teaching, right, algorithms, data structures, programming, TOC, compiler design, computer network, discrete mathematics. In this batch I am teaching, right, all these subjects. It will give approximately these all subjects will give approximately 60 marks. They will give 60 marks. Approximately these subjects will give 60 marks. If you listen my classes properly, you will get approximately 60 marks. Right? To get the IIT, maybe 70 marks required. So my sincere suggestion is, if you are serious, please join Unacademy and make it worth it. Unacademy is the best place if you want to crack the good GATE rank. Right? Next one. These are our previous rankers. Abhinav, right? He is my student. First rank he got. Gulshan, he got 4th rank. Akbar got 3rd rank. Kiran got 8th rank. Abhinav is 1st rank. Gulshan got 4th rank. Next one, right? Akbar got 3rd rank. Kiran got 8th rank. Top 10 we got 4 ranks. Top 10 we got 4 ranks. Top 100 we got 50 ranks. Right? 50 ranks. My suggestion is, please join Unacademy and make GATE exam so easy, because in Unacademy lot of practices are there. In Unacademy, recording also there, live also there. The only thing is, if you determine, Unacademy is the better place. And physical notes also available for those people who will take 1 year or more than 1 year. If you are iconic person, 1 year or more than 1 year, you will get the physical notes also. Quality notes made by the top educators, top rankers also, top educators and top rankers also. And one more thing, there is a Unacademy Ultra Combat which will happen May 22. May 22 Ultra Combat is there. If you participate in this combat, you will get so many awards. Next one, if you take the plus, you will get these many advantages. If you take iconic, you will get these many advantages. My suggestion is, if possible, go for iconic. Right? Now see the problem. Assume that float takes 4 bytes. Predict the output of the following program. Float will take 4 bytes. What will be the output of this program? Can you check one time? Can you check one time? Right, can you check what is the output of this program? What is the output of this program? I think one float array created. One float array is created. Yes. Every float is, I think, 4 bytes. Let's give addresses also. Array name is ARR. It is going to be 1000 address. Every one 4 byte, 1004, 1008, 1012, 1016. So that is the first line. Next one. Array of 0 means this person. His address is 1000. Will store in PTR1. PTR1 contain 1000 address. Next one. Right? Float star PTR is equal to PTR1 plus 4. Right? Let's check. PTR2 is equal to, right, PTR1 plus 4. Remember, pointer plus 4 means which type of pointer? Float type of pointer. So every one is 4 bytes. 4 means, I think, 16 people. So it is going to be 1016. It is the 1016. Careful. PTR is 1000. 1000 plus 4 means, right, 1016, because 4 people you have to skip every one 4 bytes. Right? So 16, 1016. PTR1 is 1000 means he will point to here. PTR2 is going to be 1016. He will point to here. Pointer means it will point. Pointer means it will point. Next one. Printf percentage F star PTR2. Printf percentage F star PTR2. Star PTR2. Right? See what he is saying. So can you help PTR2 is going to be 1016. PTR2 is going to be 1016. What is star PTR2? Star 1016. I think 0.5. PTR2 is 1016. Star PTR2. The value inside 1016. 0.5. Next one. PTR2 is 1016. PTR1 is 1000. Which will goes to 16. Right? But in this array, everyone is 4 bytes, totally 4. Right? So I think the output of this program is going to be 0.5 and 4 will be printed. This is the output. 0.5 and 4 will be printed. 0.5 and 4 will be printed. The output of this program is 0.5 and 4 will be printed. Check if anyone having doubt. Yeah, someone is saying answer is galat. Let's check once again. I will check. I will cross check. Let me check. I will cross check, because if someone is saying that answer is wrong, I will verify once. Verify. See, first one array created. It is a float array. Everyone is 4 bytes. Next one. Float star PTR1 is equal to array of 0. Array of 0 means first person, 0th person. His address is going to be 1000. So PTR1 is 1000. Next one. PTR2 is equal to PTR1 plus 4. 1000 plus 4. 1016. Right? So PTR2 contains 1016. That is also okay. PTR2 is 1016. PTR2 is 1016 star PTR2. The value inside 1016, I think 0.5. PTR2 is going to be 1016. PTR2 is going to be 1016. PTR1 is going to be 1000. 1016 minus 1000 is 16. 16 by 4. Every person is 4 bytes. 4. Answer is 0.5 and 4. Right. Correct. Mayank, I verified also. Correct. Mayank, I verified also. It is correct. Thank you so much. Because of you, I rechecked once again. Right? Fine. It will happen. Sometimes it will happen. Don't worry. Sometimes it will happen. Now, can you see this program also? Is it visible? Can you check one time? Is it visible? Is it visible? Int fun, right? So, int n, static int x is equal to 1, x is equal to x plus n. If x less than 10, return fun n minus 1, else return x. What is the value written, right? What is the value written of fun 7? It is a recursive program, static variable. It is a nice story. Can you check one time? It is a nice story. Can you check one time? Can you check once? Let me try. I am trying now. Can you help me now? Static variable first create memory. Because compile time itself static variable memory will allocate. Right? Now see the next one. See everyone now. Fun function is called. See, fun of 7 is called. It is the recursive program. Fun of 7 is called. 7 came here. So f of int n value 7, right? So let's go inside what it will do. So first line, static variable, just leave it. Static variable, nothing to do, memory already created. Remember here is the static variable, right? Global. Static means, right, is a local person, memory created, compile time. Next one, but this n is a local person, careful, right? Let's start. So first line, skip it. See the second line. First line, skip it. See the second line. X is equal to x plus n. I think n value 7. X plus n. 7 plus, right? 7 plus 1 is going to be 8. So second line is completed. Now see the third line. Now second line completed. Now see the third line. If x value how much? 8. 8 less than 10, condition is true, then return what is the answer? Then return fun n minus 1. Let's check here. Then return fun of means f of n minus 1. What is the n value? 7. 7 minus 1 is going to be 6. Right? It will be return f of n minus 1. I think everyone know this should be done first. I think, can help you now. Here, what is the n value? N value 6. Let's complete this. First one, what is the answer? Static variable, skip it. What is the second one? What is the second one? X is equal to x plus n, right? N value 6, it became 14. Second line is completed. Can you see the third line? Right? X value 14. X value 14, 14 less than 10. Previously 8 less than 10 condition true. Now 14 less than 10 condition is fail. If condition fail, what should I do? If condition fail, return. What is the answer? Return x. What is the x value? 14 will be return. So this value returning 1, 14. I think this value become 14. Now it will call f of 14. Now it is called f of 14. Let's check here. F of 14 called n value 14. Let's check. First line, static variable, nothing to do. Static variable, nothing to do. Now go to the next one. X is equal to x plus n. N value 14. 14 plus 14. What is the answer? 28. Check if I done anything wrong. Now that is the 28. X value now 28. 28 less than 10. Condition fail. So what should I do now? Return x. Return x. What is the answer? Right? 28 will be returned. The returning value will goes to here. It is the 28. The returning value will goes to here. I think answer is 28. Can you check one time? Can you check one time? Recorded Algo DS, which month, right? Which month course? So we should watch in less time. I think Pratyusha, both will be similar. You can go whatever you want. You can go whatever you want. There is no objection. Both you can watch. Right? Anything, whichever less you go. Whichever less you go, there is no problem at all. Based on the batch, one batch to another batch, few hours will increase, few hours will decrease. You go, right? Whichever subject you want, whichever course you want, all will be similar. All will be similar. All will be similar. So please verify, right? Please verify answer of this problem. I hope I done properly. So I think n value 7 initially, x value 1. So 1 plus 7 is 8. Afterwards 8 less than 10 condition is true. Return f of n minus 1 means f of 6. So f of 6 I have to do. If you go inside f of 6, what is the answer? X is equal to x plus n. I think 8 plus 6, 14. Right? 14 less than 10 condition fail. Return x. 14 will be returned. So it will become f of 14. F of 14, if you go inside x plus n, 14 plus 14, 28. I think condition I have to verify 28 less than 10. Condition is fail. So return x. So 28 will go. So finally 28. Answer is 28. Right? Answer is 28. Right? Fine. I hope right. Until now I done. In further so many problems are there. Tomorrow we'll see. Tomorrow we'll see. Until here I am stopping. I am stopping until here. Whatever we done till now, right? Please take care. Until now, whatever we done, please take care. These are our previous rankers. I wish next year your photo will be here. I wish next year your photo will be here. Next year this place I want to see your photo. Right? Next one. You can join. Right? You can join. See this one. One nice offer is going on, 30%. You can use this. If you are serious about the GATE examination, you can use this. Thank you so much. Right? See you tomorrow. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.